Just a short video. Very noisy here at the airport. The last time I shot the video on the airport, I told you how you can channel the healing energy and spread it into the world, and the comments are just pouring in of people feeling this power in their body a second after they open up for it. So I'll link to that video below so you can learn how to do it. It's very easy. It takes you 4 seconds. But what I was going to say is that I've done this a lot now, right? And something happened to my hands. I'm gonna edit in now some pictures I took. It's because when I open up for it, it's a burning sensation in my palm, in the palm of my hands, both hands. And I've done it so much, so I've got these kind of blisters. I don't know what they are. Full disclosure, I have been struggling with eczema, but it's not that, because that's not only in the hands. It's different. It's like sore and stiff and really, really warm. It feels like it's more than 37 degrees. It probably isn't, but I don't know. Have you seen this before? Or have you experienced something like this? If you want to watch that video and try it for yourself and see what happens. They're a bit better now, but there's still some redness in them.
Melding til alle på Oslo lufthavn.
Thank you.
Av sikkerhetsmessige grunner ber vi deg passe på tingene dine, og ikke la bagasjen stå uten tilsyn. Attention everyone at Oslo Airport. For security reasons, please look after your personal belongings and do not leave any baggage unattended.
So, ideas or explanations would be welcomed. I'm new at this, and I feel that my passion is not, healing, opening up for healing people. I feel much more drive towards spreading the fact that it's really easy to do. That's my, why am I telling you this? Well, I guess I've been thinking about, how can I use this? What am I supposed to do with this? But I don't think for me it's healing people, and this relates to you too. If you test it and you get, like so many other people, instant result, well, maybe that's a thing to discuss. How do we use this, Yeah. Please let me know. Okay, see ya.